Okay, so do you want to increase your average order count value without increasing your prices? Of course you do. It's the easiest way to do this is with order bumps. Now, do you know what I mean when I say order bumps? Order bumps are like going to the supermarket, you stood at the checkout waiting to be served, and either side of you, you've got chocolates, chewing gum, batteries, sweets, some rubbish little toys, tissues. And without thinking about it, you pick one up and you put it in your basket. Effectively, in real life, that's what an order bump is. So how do we do that online? What we do is we add an order bump to your sales page, and with a one click, people can add it to their cart. Now, over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can increase your average order cart value by using a simple order bump on your sales page. Now, my name's Polly, and I'm a funnel expert, and I've spent the last 12 years on my own funnels and perfecting strategies and systems that are needed to build a successful business. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you one thing that you can implement today to increase your average order cart value. Now, 40% of people will opt in for an order bump. You might be thinking that's not much, but think about this. 100 people check out on your sales page. Say they all spend £100. Let's keep the maths nice and simple. You've got no order bump. That's £10,000 that you've sold that day. Now let's go another scenario. Same sales page, same 100 people, same price, £100, but you've got an order bump on your page as well. And that order bump, let's say it's £10. 40% of people will click that order bump. That's an additional £400 that you have just sold by doing absolutely nothing. It's a no-brainer. You should have an order bump on your sales page. You haven't increased your prices. You gave them extra value, and they think they got a bargain with the order bump, and they love you for it. So, shall we dive in and show you what I'm going to show you? I'm going to show you how to add the order bump on. I'm going to show you how you can price it and what to use. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to give you my 5-step order bump scripts template. Sound good? Okay, let's share my screen and we can get started. Okay, so we're inside Clickfunnels here, and this is an example template. Let me move me over here. Okay, so here we've got where you would put your order bump title. So on a Clickfunnels, let's say we haven't got that, we would go over here and we see we've got order bump. You would drag that over to where you wanted it, and this is where you would then amend your text. So we'll just delete that because we've already got one here. So I like to put a little image above the order bump and give it a title and a little bit of a description. And then the order bump box, you've got your headline, and that is the box that they will tick. And then you've got the one-time offer. So if you click on that, over here on this part of the screen, you can see where you put your headline. Then you've got the bump headline is what you want to put in there. So that where it says bump in brackets is where you would put your product. Now, I recommend that your order bump product is no more than £20, but it does depend on what they're purchasing in the first place. If they're only buying something for £20, then your order bump needs to just be maybe £3 or £4. If they're buying something for £100, let's keep it to like £10, and £200, then I'd make it £20. But I always like to keep them maybe £17 or £19. Don't make it a round figure, because in people's brains, £17 sounds a lot cheaper than 20, even though it's only £3 cheaper. More people will opt in if it's not a rounded number. That's what statistics show us. So your headline, you would put here. So one-time offer. I always keep it as one-time offer because they're not going to get this opportunity to buy this thing again at this price. In here, you would put in this script, you have to scroll along to see the script, and then you'd add in there what it is, why they need it. So you need to set the benefit, and you tell them what it is, you tell them the benefit, and you tell them how it's going to help them. Now, your order bump product must be related to the product that they're buying, but not conflicting. So it's something additional that they need. So say, for example, you were selling a course or a program or something, and you wanted, it was just like a done for you course that they just went through at their own pace. It wasn't coaching or anything. You could maybe add on some ready-made templates as your order bump that they will need that complements the course. It can't conflict with what they're buying. It must complement with what they're buying, and it will help them achieve whatever they want to achieve based on what you're selling. And then you always have click yes to add this to your order now for a single payment of XX, whatever it is. So I like to keep it say £17 is a good one, £11, £19, or you could go up to £27. It all depends on what your main product is. And what you do, if we come out of here, we don't want that. When you set up your order bump, you go into products. This is a template funnel I'm showing you, so there's no template set up on here at the moment. Let's just say we're having PayPal. It's always a one-time payment when it's an order bump. When you go to your next page to fill out your product, you want to make sure that you tick here to say that it's a bump product, because that will be the product that is associated with that tick box. So you only have one order bump product on that page, and you make sure you tick that box. So we'll cancel that because we don't need that. So that is how you set it up. I've also told you how to price it and what to use. Make sure it's a complementing product, not a conflicting product. Now we will look at scripts. So these are the scripts, my 5-step for doing your script for your order bump. You've got step 1 is choose the checkbox copy. Then you've got step 2 is choose the quick offer copy. Step 3 is choosing the blurb, the spiel, the bit that you put why they want it and what it is. And step 4 is choosing your order button copy. And then step 5 is basically set it all up. So here's some examples that you can use for your checkbox copy. Yes, I will take it. Yes, I want this. Yes, I want that. You put your product in. Basically, that's a short, snappy headline. Then you've got the quick one-time offer. That is what is headlined in red on that box. And then you've got the spiel. So we had, I'd like to offer you, you insert your product, you insert the benefit, and you insert why they need it. Click yes to add this to your order now for just a single payment of XX. You put in your price. So there's 4 different scripts there. Order button copy, complete order, complete your order now, or complete my order, and then set it up. So if we go over to my other page, we can just show you where that all fits together. So let's go over here. So yes, I want the step 1, the checkbox copy is this part here in yellow, and it's nice to have the flashing red arrow. The quick offer copy, step 2, is this part here. The spiel, the blurb that you want to say about it is this bit here. So you've got the OTO text, you've got the OTO headline, and then you've got the text that you put on the button to complete the order. And that is it. So that is how you can increase your average order cart value and not increase your prices. And it's that simple. Set it up once and it will just go and go and go for you. So if you want to get a copy of these order bump script templates, just fill out the form, click the button, and you can download those today. Okay, you can get this set up in your business today, this afternoon even. Okay, have a great day. Bye.